Right, how can we get you all into a video? You've gone and get yourself all muddy for the video, haven't you? Yes.
Especially the white one. You can see that quite well, don't we? Yes, pups. Pups.
Right, Morpheus. Hello, puppy.
What's that?
Hello, Morpheus. Oh, somebody's tugging at my shirt.
And I think it's only the fourth or so, is it?
Minx, gentle. Minx shows him who's boss. Minxie, come on, here, Minx. Come on, Minxie. Good girl.
There's one in the rubbish bin.
Good girl, gentle. I know you need to show them who's boss. Don't really need reminding. She's quite good at it.
Oh, another one, and another one. Yes. Another one in the basket. Yes. Another one in the basket.
Yes, hello. Hello, you. Hello, hello.
That's right, I'm not hurting it, mate. Yeah, that's right. Those need to be sold. Only 4. The rest are
These
ready.
are the ones that need
Well,
to be
they've all,
sold.
to be honest, they've all been claimed at some point and people have dropped out. So that's why there's,
I told her, Daddy, what they don't have home.
yeah, I don't think it's going to take much to find them homes. But we just want to have good homes is the important thing. Not just anywhere. Here, here.
This one. I like the one with the
Here we
pink
go.
collar.
Here we go.
She's very
Oh,
lucky.
Morpheus. Such a cutie.
That
Right, I'm going to have to catch them and bring... Here, come on. Come on, naughty pups. Come on. Minerva, come on, Minerva. Over. Come on, darling. Right, let's go and catch them.